making so many songs, they get scattered, trying to mix and master a song that actually matters. But wasting all my credits seems to be the pattern. What's it gonna take? 10,000 credits gone in a day. More songs made than I can't even try to explain. Throwing them all away because none of them are flame. But what can I say? I can't complain. I'm not the one making the songs, but I'm the one that has to pay. Burning through all my credits, can't even find a song good enough to edit. Who won't sweat it? I'll just keep burning through all my credits till I have to buy more with my debit. If you ask where all my money went, so no credits is where I spent it. Time spent, credits burned, so no takes all my credits, really making me work. So much time gone by, it feels like